Good morning. Are you ready to start our math lesson for the week? All right, so we're going to be on pages. We're going to start on page 79, and we're going to need this page, page 80, and also page 81, okay? Now there's going to be one more page that you're going to need, and your mom either needs to make copies for you, or you need to have it inside of a plastic thing with a marker. So we're going to be using this page too. So make sure you have this out. Okay? All right. So let's go ahead and look and see what Charlie and Charlotte are going to be up to this week. Sitting at the kitchen table with their place value village spread out before them, Charlie and Charlotte looked at Mom with inquisitive faces and asked her how to add bigger numbers to smaller numbers. Mother removed the hundreds house for now and set the tens house and ones house in front of them. She took some numbered cards and set a 1 in the tens house and another 1 in the ones house. "What number is this, children?" she asked. "Why, it's 11, Mom," responded Charlotte. 1 10 and 1 1 is 11. "Nicely done, Charlotte," encouraged Mom. Next, Mom added a 5 in the ones house under the 1. Then she asked Charlie, "How many ones do I have?" Charlie excitedly responded, "Well, you have 6 now, Mom." I know. You have 1, 10, and 6 ones. So now you have 16. So we can say that 11 plus 5 is equal to 16. Right, Mom? "Yes, Charlie. Yes, you're right," smiled Mom, trying her best not to explode with laughter over her son's contagious enthusiasm. Charlotte eagerly asked Mother, "Will you please give me an addition problem with bigger numbers now?" "Sure, Charlotte," replied Mom. Mom removed the numbers in the tens house and the ones house and now placed a 2 in the tens house and a 5 in the ones house. She placed a 3 under the 5 in the ones house and then glanced at Charlotte. "Okay, Charlotte, what do you think?" Charlotte's blue eyes sparkled as she began talking it out. "Well, we have to look in the ones house first. We have 5 ones plus 3 more ones. That makes 8 ones. We have 2 tens, so that makes 28 for the answer." "You're correct, Charlotte. Very good job," exclaimed Mom. "And you are right. We always need to look at the ones house first and then add them up. Then we can look at the tens house." Mother showed them the way they could write the problems on paper like this. With eyes twinkling, the twins continued working on bigger number addition problems for the next hour. Mom smiled contentedly and continued knitting the blanket for their new baby, who was at this very moment kicking enthusiastically from within her. All right, so I want you to go ahead and get this page out. We're going to be looking at what we can do on this page to add up numbers, okay? Now, you should either have a copy of it or you should have a dry erase marker, okay? All right, so let's do this. On this, these are 2 houses. This is the ones house, and this is the tens house. Okay, so let's go ahead and write the number 16. Can you write that in there? Right up here at the top? All right, that means that I have 6 ones and 1 10. Okay, now we're going to put a 3. We're going to add 3 ones. So it goes in the ones place. Now, we always have to add up the ones house first. You always have to start in the ones house. So let's start in the ones house. So what is 6 plus 3? 9. So now you have 6 ones plus 3 more ones, which means you have 9 ones. How many tens do you have? 1. So what's 16 plus 3 equal? 19. Very good. Let's do another one. Let's do 24 plus 3. 24 means you have 2 tens and 4 ones, and we're going to add 3 more ones. So we always have to do the ones first. What's 4 plus 3? And how many tens do we have? So 24 plus 3 equals 27. Now you have 7 ones and 2 tens. Does all that make sense to you? Good. All right, so let's go back to this page right here. All right, now you can use your mat to do these if you want to. The one that we just used, you'll have to write these at the top plus this, and you can add it up that way. Or you can just do it like this on paper. Now remember, this is our ones, so let's look at our ones. We have 0 ones plus 8 ones. So how many ones does that make us? 8 ones. How many tens do we have? 9. So 90 plus 8 gives you 98. Okay, let's do this one. How many ones? Always add your ones first. What's 5 plus 1? And how many tens? So 61 plus 5 gives you 66. Good job. Now your job, your assignment, is to finish adding these up. And then down here, you have to draw the hands to show the time. This one should be 7 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 8 o'clock, and 12 o'clock. When you're finished, give this to your mom so she can give you a grade, and maybe she'll snap a picture and send it to me, okay? All right, that's all for today.